Hi, I'm Chelsea Dimin with Coldwell Banker Island Properties. Welcome to Makena Surf Unit F110. This unit combines luxury, size, premier location, and magnificent views. The open floor plan and high ceilings offer a spacious living area, great for entertaining. Glass sliding pocket doors combine both indoor and outdoor living spaces and allow plenty of natural light in. Dine outside on your private lanai or relax with a front ocean view from your living and dining rooms. The kitchen boasts granite counters, a large island, custom cabinets, countertop stove, sub-zero refrigerator, and Bosch dishwasher. This condominium features a large carpeted master bedroom and tiled master bathroom. The second bedroom can double as an office and has plenty of closet space. The guest bathroom has a separate entrance and features tile floors and granite counters. This unit comes with a Kenmore stackable washer and dryer, central air conditioning, and ceiling fans in each room. Enjoy resort amenities with Makena Surf's 2 swimming pools and 4 tennis courts. This gated community is a premier vacation rental complex, and Unit F110 has an excellent vacation rental history. Fully furnished, Unit F110 is turnkey. This rare ground floor oceanfront condominium is just steps away from the water. Enjoy year-round sunsets, watch whales breach, and relax to the sounds of the ocean on your private lanai. Ask your agent for a showing today.